Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where File Explorer is not responding on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list to load and then right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select Restart. The next solution will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Interestingly, restarting the computer will be the main solution here. I'm telling you it will work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.